Hello, I show you 5 secrets code for Samsung. So let's go. First is a quick test menu. Open Phone Diary. Now enter the code. In this menu you can test various things for your phone, such as camera, sensor, sound, and others. Second is a general test mode. Enter the code. This code helps you in testing various things such as speaker, front camera, touch, and others. Next code helps you check your email. This code helps you check your call forwarding. Finally, code which open system hidden option. In this menu you can fix insufficient storage error. Thank you for your attention. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and rate the video.